Bây đây chỉ tao với nó Pele mày ta ai này vô là mày ta phun hula thanh mày kêu là mày ta lên mày ta vô là mày đây.
I'm on the most active volcano in the world. Kilauea is erupting from two places at the same time. There's no other volcano in the world that's doing that. For a volcanologist, this is the place to be.
When I come out here, I find myself in a deep, reverent place when I'm in the presence of the flowing lava.
When the earth split open and Halemaumau's vent was born, the sound that came out was just glorious. It was magnificent. It was highly tonal. It almost sounded like a voice.
It's like the living planet, and the volcano is the open, pulsing heartbeat of it.
And all of a sudden, these huge explosions start happening. I couldn't believe my eyes. These huge sheets of lava are blowing up 150 feet into the air.
The volcano is my heartbeat, is the rhythm of my words. There are so many artists drawn to this area, perhaps because it's a catalyst, right, for that kind of creativity.